I was being bad. I was going on a bender of watching this BBC detective show. I just couldn't stop watching it. So I did a little research. I'm watching this show till 12:30. Oh my God. I eat a little bit late. And then I think I was messing around on my phone. So all the things that would just not have your sleep be in this beautiful dropped-in restorative state. And the one thing I added was hanging out down here. I saw if I could sense this quality of this relocation. Oh, I'm thinking a lot. Oh, wait a minute. What's my heart feel like? I felt this out the back. Something able to radiate through the bones. Feel it right now. Oh, it's actually really easy to be here. I can really sense being here. So I thought, okay. I mean, it's not like I hadn't heard it 500 billion times as a theory or as an obvious thing. And then I went to bed and I woke up having stayed here all night. Felt like $1 million. Felt like $1 million. Being in the body from here, my awareness, presence, consciousness, even mindness